Hi, this is Jebb Adams. I'm here in my studio with this recent addition to my sewing machine collection. This is a Singer 201, and I purchased it here in Montreal this morning. The vendor, they were asking $125. Last night online on Kijiji, after looking at the half dozen or so photos that they had of this machine and reading their description about the good operating condition, it seemed to me that for this quality of machine in general, and especially in the obvious quality of this machine, $120 was a very reasonable asking price. I decided to offer $100. All dollars are in Canadian currency, so Canadian dollar is worth about 75 cents of an American dollar, I believe. I'm not sure what the exact daily currency exchange rate is. Nonetheless, anyway, I got this beautiful machine for $100. However, I also got all the original accessories, or a lot of the original accessories, and there was a lot of them. I did get the instruction booklet en français. It is in French, but this is, this is Canada, this is Quebec, this is Montreal. So the decals are in excellent condition. Indeed. This insignia here, I'm going to check that out. It says a century of sewing service, 1851 to 1951. And 1951, obviously, was their Singer's centennial. And I'm willing to bet that because it says that on that medallion, I'm going to speculate that this may be a 1951 model. I do have the serial number of this model, and it is there. So I noted that. We have an oil entry here. For this, it would be ideal if I put the machine on its back that way and let that oil get into that gear. Hopefully I'll be able to get at it from underneath. The machine in general is in, I would say, very good to very good condition. I did break this light when I almost dropped the machine, so I will have to remedy that. But I'm a restorer. I'm a fixer-upper, right? A do-it-yourselfer. And this is how I learn. So this is Kendra, a wonderful surprise, and you will